Hello friends, welcome back to Vidya Corner. In today's video, we are going to talk about a topic which every student and academic enthusiast in India should know about. The National Institutional Ranking Framework or NIRF. If you are planning your higher education or just curious about how institutions in India stack up, this video is for you. So, what exactly is NIRF? Launched in 2015 by Ministry of Education, Government of India. The NIRF is a ranking system that evaluates and ranks higher education institutions across the country. But this is not just any ranking. It is the gold standard that thousands of institutions aspire to be part of. Why does NIRF matter? Well, these rankings play a crucial role in helping students making informed decisions about their education. They also push institutions to strive for excellence in various fields, creating a more competitive and quality-driven educational landscape. Next question is, how does NIRF rank colleges? NIRF evaluates institutions based on 5 key parameters. So the first point is teaching, learning and resources. This includes the quality of teaching, faculty, learning resources, and the overall academic environment. Second factor is research and professional practices. Here, the focus is on the quantity, quality, and impact of research outputs, patents, and professional practices. Third parameter is graduation outcomes. This measures students' success through graduation rates, placements, and higher studies. Fourth parameter is outreach and inclusivity. This means NIRF considers how inclusive an institution is regarding gender, social diversity, and regional representation. And fifth parameter is perception. This is about how the college is viewed by others, like employers, other colleges, and the public. Each year, the NIRF releases ranking across several categories, including overall institutions, universities, engineering, management, pharmacy, law, medical, architecture, and even colleges. This detailed categorization ensures that every type of institution gets a fair evaluation based on its focus and strengths. The NIRF rankings are highly respected and widely recognized across the country. For students, these rankings can be valuable tools when choosing the right institution for their education. For institutions, it is an opportunity to benchmark their performance against the best and identify areas for improvement. To give you an idea, in the latest rankings, institutions like Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, IIT Madras, and Jawaharlal Nehru University have consistently ranked at the top in their respective categories. So, whether you are a student, a parent, or an academic professional, the NIRF rankings are something you should definitely check out. You can find detailed rankings and reports on the official NIRF website. So friends, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Vidya Corner for more easy to understand content. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.